Transform your Squarespace site with a sleek, modern light and dark mode toggle that users will absolutely love. First things first, we need to access your Squarespace website's backend, log into your Squarespace account, and navigate to your website's dashboard. Once you're in the dashboard, look for the Design option in the left-hand menu, click into Design, and then you'll want to find and select Custom CSS. This is where we'll add a little bit of magic. We're going to paste in some code that creates our light and dark mode functionality. Don't worry, I'll guide you through exactly what to paste. We'll be placing a visual toggle switch, likely in your site's header, making it easily accessible for visitors to click. To implement this, we'll use a combination of CSS to define how your site looks in both light and dark modes. We'll set up specific styles for the dark mode, which will only activate when the toggle is switched. You'll then add a small piece of code to create the actual toggle button itself. This is what your visitors will interact with. This code works by adding a specific class to your website's body. When dark mode is activated, then any CSS rules you've written for that class will apply, instantly changing the look of your site. This creates a beautiful, seamless transition, improving user experience and making your website more accessible, especially for those who prefer darker interfaces. And there you have it. A modern, functional light and dark mode switch for your Squarespace website, enhancing engagement and catering to everyone's viewing preferences.